name is Mr. Hamner, and today myself and my colleagues will be teaching you about what a timeline is, how to construct one, and then we're also going to teach you what practical uses they have in the real world. And so today I thought we could begin with a little assignment. Now I want to know what pre-knowledge you have already about timelines. And I'm going to hand out some pieces of paper, and I want you to use your pen and construct a timeline the best way you can with those dates that I have up there. They are birthdays of famous celebrities. I have two examples right here. I'm going to show you first. I'm going to show you Mark's. And we see it has a good example of a title, Timeline, Birthday of Famous Celebrity. And then we can see that the beginning of the timeline starts with the earliest birth date, which was Julia Andrews, which was October 1st, 1935. And then it goes all the way till the end with November 2nd, 1984, which is Scarlett Johansson's birthday. Which is almost exactly what you need to do. Really glad that he had the title on it. Okay. Then we also have Alicia's timeline. And then we see that it's almost the exact same thing. Begins with the birthday of Julia Andrews, and then it ends also at 1984 with Scarlett Johansson. Missing the title, but it's still pretty good. Okay. Now, by show of hands, how many of you have ever used a timeline at some point in your life? That's everybody. You just created your own timeline. Timelines can be used by everyone at some point in their life. They serve different functions that can be business or education or really anything else. Okay. A timeline can tell a story. They can show the growth of a civilization throughout time, the progression of technology, and then a specific date that something occurred. A timeline is a diagram that shows the order of events written in a period of time. These periods of time can be anything. They can be centuries, decades, years, months, weekly, hourly, etc. They also can be designed in a variety of ways. Timelines are ordered chronologically. Chronology is the order of dates in which these events happen. And then timelines can be used by historians to show when and how something occurred. In this timeline, historians have labeled the ancient Egypt. We can see it goes all the way from about 3500 BC to 0. And then all these timelines begin with a heading, as you can see. This one is the ancient Egypt timeline. In order to construct the timeline, we put the early events on the left side, and then we go to the later events on the right side. Okay. Here, take over.